Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, Rajendra Prasad. Option C, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Option D, Mahatma Gandhi. Your correct answer is option C, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Onam is a festival celebrated in which state? Option A, Odisha. Option B, Assam. Option C, Kerala. Option D, Gujarat. Correct answer is option C, Kerala. Which city in India is known as the Silk City of India? Option A, Nashik. Option B, Varanasi. Option C, Bhagalpur. Option D, Malda. Correct answer is option C, Bhagalpur. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? Option A, Sarojini Naidu. Option B, Annie Besant. Option C, Indira Gandhi. Option D, Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Correct answer is option A, Sarojini Naidu. Who composed the Indian national song Vande Mataram? Option A, Rabindranath Tagore. Option B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Option D, Surendranath Banerjee. Your correct answer is option B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who is known as the father of the Green Revolution in India? Option A, M.S. Swaminathan. Option B, APJ Abdul Kalam. Option C, Sarojini Naidu. Option D, Sardar Singh. Your correct answer is option A, M.S. Swaminathan. Who is known as the Missileman of India? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option C, APJ Abdul Kalam. Option D, Rajendra Prasad. Your correct answer is option C, APJ Abdul Kalam. Who was the longest-serving Prime Minister of India? Option A, Indira Gandhi. Option B, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D, Narendra Modi. Your correct answer is option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Which is the longest national highway in India? Option A, NH56. Option B, NH46. Option C, NH45. Option D, NH44. Your correct answer is option D, NH44. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Option A, Himalaya. Option B, Kanchenjunga. Option C, Nanda Devi. Option D, Mount Everest. Your correct answer is option B, Kanchenjunga. Which is the second largest state in India? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Rajasthan. Option C, Assam. Option D, Maharashtra. Your correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Where is the Amazon rainforest located? Option A, Australia. Option B, South Africa. Option C, Asia. Option D, South America. Your correct answer is option D, South America. Which state in India is known as the land of festival? Option A, Rajasthan. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Madhya Pradesh. Option D, Nagaland. Your correct answer is option D, Nagaland. Who designed the first Indian national flag? Option A, Annie Besant. Option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Option C, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Option D, Pingali Venkaiah. Your correct answer is option D, Pingali Venkaya. Kalagoda Art Festival is celebrated in which state? Option A, Himachal Pradesh. Option B, Rajasthan. Option C, Chhattisgarh. Option D, Maharashtra. Your correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. When was India declared as a republic? Option A, 2 October 1950. Option B, 15th August 1947. Option C, 26 January 1950. Option D, 26 January 1947. Your correct answer is option C, 26 January 1950. Who was the first chairman of Planning Commission of India? Option A, B.R. Ambedkar. Option B, Indira Gandhi. Option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D, Morarji Desai. Your correct answer is option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Option A, Indira Gandhi. Option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D, Mahatma Gandhi. Your correct answer is option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who is known as the father of Indian unrest? Option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option B, Dadabhai Naroji. Option C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option D, Bhagat Singh. Your correct answer is option C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? Option A, Miss Subha Lakshmi. Option B, Sarojini Naidu. Option C, Asha Bhosle. Option D, Indira Gandhi. Your correct answer is option B, Sarojini Naidu.